In a quarter of a mile,
Jeez!
exit right.
Dude, what the hell? God. What are you doing? What are those? Well, first of all, Pam scared the ever-living shit out of me. You got this thing blaring. Man, I got hearing problems. I'm a disabled vet. You know this, man. But it's Fenris. Fenris is good. I like Fenris. But Pam damn near made me shit my pants. Okay, on a serious note, guys, if you've ever gone to the range or you use regular earplugs, you know, sometimes they fall out, they don't fit right, there's issues, there's problems, whatever the case is. And I know for me, a good set of custom molded earplugs are worth their weight in gold. Today we're headed over to Blue Collar Firearms to see Trisha. She's going to make some custom molded earplugs for both of us. We're going to see a little bit about the process. If you guys happen to live in the Southern California area and you want to get yourself some custom molded earplugs, you go to the range on a regular basis, or you just hang out with people that try to blow your friggin' eardrums out, it's a good investment. Stay tuned, it should be a good show. All right, what's up, Savages? We made it into Blue Collar Firearms today to get our custom molded hearing pieces, custom molded
hearing protection.
Right. I wanted to take a quick look at this. There's a bunch of different add-ons you said we can do and send them off, right? If people come in here?
Ear Custom Hearing is the parent company. I have been trained by them to be able to do the silicone ears in-house, which is the standard ones that you see at the gun shows and those kinds of things.
Okay.
We also are able to offer electronic versions. I take the molds here in the store, I ship them off to them in Colorado. A week later, your custom molded ears show up with electronic hearing.
That's awesome. And there's a bunch of different prices and stuff, and they can discuss all that stuff with you here.
Everything from a couple $100 to thousands.
Oh, wow.
And everything in between.
Okay. Well, we're looking forward to getting these ears in today, and we really appreciate you taking the time to do this. One of the things I wanted to point out is we've been to a lot of different gun stores, and I'm sure the Savages that are watching this know that we have talked to a lot of people, and we haven't seen anybody do this. Not a lot of people are doing this in the area, right?
That's absolutely correct, and part of that is governed by the company.
Okay.
They don't want people to overlap areas, so they want to make a nice even playing field for everyone. I am, as far as I know, the only brick and mortar store that is offering ears, because all the times you ever see it at mobile or shops or gun stores at like gun shows.
Gun shows, that's what I meant.
Those are all people that do it mobily.
Okay.
And
awesome.
I do it in-house. I'll come and do mobile. If you have a group of people, I'll come to your house and do it.
And you have a bunch of different colors?
Oh yeah, got a bunch of different colors, even ordering more colors all the time.
Okay, awesome. Well, we're looking forward to getting them done today. We really appreciate it.
Awesome, thanks.
All right, guys. Should be a good process.
As I walk away, I leave the world behind. Behind the shoulders, over the corner of my eye. And I am guilty, oh I know I'm guilty. But so is everyone, lights are pretty. Do you remember when you told me that I was yours and only yours, that you've stolen me from myself, from my own thing? Do you remember that you told me that you've stolen me that you've chosen me, closing in night till morning, forever searching me? Tell me your secrets. Tell me your secrets. I look into this space for some kind of answer, searching your face for traces of sorrow, laughter. The book of you, I want it all. Give me all your chapters, but you are hard to read between the lines. Do you remember when you saw me? I mean, for the very first time you really saw me. We told each other anything we can do together. So the love of my life, won't you tell me that you've stolen me? closing me, closing in night till morning, forever searching me. Tell me your secrets. Tell me your secrets.
All right, guys, so we just finished up. We got a really cool color. You can do swirls, I guess, too.
We can do 2-color. I can do 3-color max.
Okay.
It's a little more difficult because it is a heat-driven product.
Okay. As
it gets hot, it cures. The design that we chose to do with you is actually a flush molded. You'll see that it's really thin, and these fit really nice and flush inside your ear.
Yes, they were super comfortable, and it was a really quick and easy process, and they worked really well. I like these ones because it obviously matches our logo, so that's really cool. And it comes with this little cool box, so opens up, put them right in there. Guys, if you have the opportunity to make it down here to Blue Collar Firearms and get some custom molded hearing protection, head on down. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and as always, stay savage.
As home as I'll ever need. Oh, close your eyes and hold on to me. Oh, I'm home now, as home as I'll ever be.
All right, what's up, savages? So we made it into Blue Collar Firearms. Blue Collar Firearms. Let's redo that.
Cut! Try again.
I had to, I'm sorry. Just because we made the joke about it.
I should have went.
And then I could have done it.
Oh my god! You're gonna make me have to pee my pants.
Blooper reel.
Ready? Go.